Start. Tuesday. 29. November 2022. Phonics 1. Review. Letter M to Z. Good. M say monkey. M say milk. M say money. M say mouse. M say nut. M say net. M say nest. M say nose. O say octopus. O say ox. O say olive. O say ostrich. P say peach. P say pen. P say panda. P say pineapple. Q say queen. Q say quiz. Q say quilt. Q say question. R say rabbit. R say rose. R says rice. R says robot. S says seal. I say sun. I say soap. I say socks. T say turtle. T say tent. T say tiger. T say teacher. Good. U say umbrella. U say up. You say uncle. You say umpire. Đấy, V. V say van.
We say van.
Good. V say vet.
We say vest.
V say vest.
We say vest.
V say violin.
We say violin.
W say wolf. W say wolf. Okay. W say web.
W say what, wet.
W say water.
W say what, water.
W say watch.
W say what, watch.
X say fox.
X says what,
Fox. X say box.
X says box.
X say six.
X says six.
X say wax.
X says wax.
Y say yo-yo.
Y say yak, yo-yo.
Y say yak.
Y say yak, yak.
Y say yogurt.
Y say yak, yo-yo.
Good. Y say yacht.
Y say yak.
Z say zipper.
Z say zipper.
Z say zero.
Z say zero.
Z say zoo.
Z say zoo.
Good. Z say zebra.
Z say zebra.
Congratulations. Good. Well done.